M0FXB, welcome to my channel, Learning Morse Code, and today the letters are W and X. W, di-da-da, di-da-da, di-da-da. Listen to the sound and the rhythm. Di-da-da, di-da-da. Close your eyes, listen to the sound and the rhythm. Imagine you're in front of a radio. You can only hear it, you can't see it. That's W. Now let's move on to X. Da di di da, da di di da, da di di da. Listen to the sound and the rhythm. Close your eyes. Hear the rhythm. Da di di da. Hopefully this will help you learn Morse code. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you find this helpful. 7-3, all the best.